A.K.A. So this is my first vlog, and I'm still sitting at home, boring. The sun is beautiful outside, so let me show you guys. Where do I turn this camera? Where do I turn this fucking camera? Never mind. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna grab something to eat and go to the park. Enjoy the sun. Out. You guys, so I'll be actually, you guys, so every day that I'm at work, I'll be showing you guys how I spend my time at work and how much I actually love my job, you know, picking up food at restaurants, going to clients' houses and delivered food. Some clients are good, some are rude. Thank you for that, actually. Thank you, Mr. Client, for being rude. And the reason why I like it, because it helps me to be outside, you know, do some sports, and I'm building up some chicken legs actually, and with my sporty bike. And this one over here is my work bag. And Jobo, also schon fertig Pizza?
Ja.
Viele.
Kommt noch die zweite.
Okay. Und was für eine Pizza ist das?
Das ist Lahmacun.
Nutella.
Lahmacun Nutella?
Yeah.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. So if you want to order yourself some good pizza, I'm going to share the address to this place. It's actually called Döner und Pizza House. Kauf Döner und Pizza House. So next time you want to get yourself some good food, don't forget, all set and ready. Now it's time to go to the client's house. I'm gonna show you some few videos of the road to the client's house. Fuck. So see you guys later. kebab. So much kebab. So guys, this is actually how I do my job. I deliver the food to the customer. Unfortunately, I couldn't record her because it's not allowed to just record people like that. I asked her and the lady said, nope, I don't want to be in your camera. So that's why I didn't take footage of my delivery to her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna update you every single time I do my new job video. So see you next time until then.